The top sirloin butt is located at the lower back and is considered one of the middle meat cuts, known as the top sirloin butt, top butt, or the sirloin butt. The primary components consist of the culotte muscle, biceps femoris, the center muscle, gluteus medius, and the chicken muscle or mouse muscle, gluteus accessoris and gluteus profundus. The top sirloin typically has a weight range between 4 to 7 kilograms or 9 to 15.5 pounds. The top sirloin is a highly desirable cut, prized for its flavor, yield, and versatility. The cooking methods this cut is best suited for include grilling, roasting, rotisserie, and sautéing. We will now demonstrate the classic preparation of the top sirloin. Because the natural meat grains run in opposing directions, it is recommended to remove the culotte muscle from the main muscle. Turn over the top sirloin. Trim the excess fat to expose the natural seam and remove any heavy membrane. Once completed, pull the culotte muscle to separate it from the main muscle. Using the tip of your knife, carefully continue to separate the natural seam until the culotte is removed. In order to ensure a consistent eating quality and customer satisfaction, you have the option to remove the soft, sinewy chicken muscle or mouse muscle located on the underside of the center muscle. It is recommended that the first 1.3 centimeters or ½ inch of the face is removed and can be further merchandised. This is done to ensure a more consistent and palatable steak. For classic large steak formats, you are now ready to portion the entire main muscle. For fast fry steaks, cut a 1.3 centimeter or a ½ inch steak. The traditional sirloin or classic cut produces a large steak in terms of plate coverage. However, not necessarily thick, and it's difficult to control cooking doneness. Cattle weights in North America on average have increased by approximately 16% over the past 20 years. One of the sirloin's advantages over other steaking muscles is that it can yield thicker, more consistent steaks when processed properly. The top sirloin butt or top butt is a common food service cut given its versatility. For optimum performance, it's recommended that this muscle is aged to help ensure a consistent, tender, juicy, and flavorful steak. To achieve the top sirloin medallion, following the grain, split lengthwise into 2 or 3 pieces depending on the size of the muscle following the natural seam. Next, portion steaks across the grain to the desired size and thickness. You can see that smaller portions maintain a desired level of thickness, providing excellent cooking control for the kitchen. Alternatively, one could roast the entire piece for a buffet item. The cap or culotte is a flavorful muscle and often underrated for its versatility. When portioning the cap muscle, cut across the grain for maximum tenderness, ideal for breakfast steaks, sandwich steaks, or specials. Cubed for kebabs or cut into strips for sautés and stir-fries are all options. You can see that portions are still thick and juicy, providing excellent cooking control for the kitchen. The top sirloin has been a staple in food service and provides a number of versatile applications. As we have demonstrated, it requires some special consideration when it comes to portioning this muscle in-house. We encourage you to visit the Beef Information Center website for additional educational, technical, and promotional resources designed to profitably increase your beef business.